Hello guys, welcome to Trading Tutorial. I'm Piyush here. Today I will give information about crude oil. Uh, what is the basic knowledge we need to trade crude oil? I mean crude oil future, and why crude oil is trading on exchange, and how many type of crude oil, and what basics information we must have to trade crude oil to be a profitable trader of crude oil. So we all know what is a crude oil. Uh, Crude oil is a mineral uh, which we use to produce fuel for our economy, our world. So there is a four major type of crude oil. There is a one very light oil, which majorly used in jet planes. There is a light oil, medium oil, heavy oil. So major countries, or you can say major organization, use medium oil for their fuel. So on there is two major benchmark of crude oil. One is WTI crude oil, another one is Brent crude oil. So WTI is US based, and Brent you can say UK based or Europe based. Okay, so you can in North Sea, the all uh, all crude oil which extract in northern North area, their price based on Brent crude, and the crude which extract in UK area, sorry, pardon, US area, their price based on WTI crude oil. Actually, Brent oil is little more sweeter than WTI crude oil. So why Brent oil always like $10 to $20, or we can say sometime it's 30 or maybe higher than WTI crude oil, because Brent crude oil quality is better than WTI crude oil. So this is now why the derivatives of crude oil trading. So there are two type of person in trading. One is actual buyer, and another one is traders like me. I don't need to carry crude oil at my home. What I will do with crude oil? I have no any use of crude oil. I am not so able to refine it. I have no refinery. So I am just a trader. And what trader of futures price of futures of crude oil. So there is a lot of contracts. There is a spot contract and farm contract. Traders trade them. So what I will do, I will do some analysis, fundamental analysis, and suppose right now crude oil is trading at $25, and my analysis show that this price will move to $30. So what I will do, I will buy one contract of crude oil at $25, and I will sell at $30 on exchange. Okay, and suppose this is a long trade. Suppose right now crude oil is trading at $25, and I think so it will fall to $20 because there is a low demand. So what I will do, I will do a short selling of crude oil at $25, and when it will fall back to $20, I will buy it, or I will exit from the trade. So what I am making five profit of $5. Okay, so this is I am trader and future trader. But what actual buyers will do? Who are the actual buyers? Actual buyers are refineries and like jet companies. What they do, they buy. So same like me. If the price are trading at higher, then they will do short selling. And if the price of crude oil is lower for now, suppose that $10, they will buy right now. And once the it's when the if they buy 10 any contract of $10 for right now, and expiry happen at $20, but they have already bought that at $10, they will move to that drilling company or oil company, and they will pay that amount to them actually that this is just a contract amount. They will contract amount of barrel. Okay, so now how many have they bought? This is the lot size of $1,000, so they will pay the according to that, and they will carry that crude oil at their refineries, and they will refine it for their use. Okay, so this is just one concept. Now, what is the major cause of prices of crude oil fall? Fluctuation of crude oil, movement of crude oil. How there is just one organization. Uh, you can Google it. This is OPEC. Okay, so the OPEC countries, the actual economy of OPEC countries depend on crude oil. Okay, like the Gulf countries' economies are depend on crude oil. If the price of crude oil will fall, then sure they are going to make huge loss. Like now in Corona, I am recording this video on uh, 9th May or 10th May of 2020, where the Corona pandemic is going happening around the world, and there is you can see the uh, jet planes are not passenger planes are not flying right now. Trains are not running, buses are not running, and even cars and bikes are not. So there is a no need of fuel right now, and so refineries are not refining such amount of crude oil, so there is a no need of crude oil for right now, and that's why the crude oil price fall to $25. You can see at my chart. Okay, uh, so this is one concept I am uh, as you can see. So I was telling about OPEC. Now at this case, what OPEC will do, how OPEC manipulate the price of crude oil. That what I want to explain you. So OPEC members, time to time, they do one meeting, and they call all OPEC members or fuel ministers of the countries who are the members of OPEC. Actually, there is like 15 member countries in OPEC. I think so. And like Algeria, Angola, Congo, Ecuador, and many like Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, all major Gulf countries are the member of OPEC. So and non-OPEC member also like Russia, they are also a major exporters of crude oil. So they also play a role in price manipulating of crude oil. Okay, and US, yeah, consumer is also a major like they are producer, and there are some major consumer like USA, Japan, China, India. If in like USA have no need of crude oil, then who will buy that crude oil? Then sure, if there will be no buyer, then they have to sell at low price. Like same case as China. China is also a very big importer of crude oil, and India is also a big importer of crude oil, and Japan is also a big importer of crude oil. So if they have no need, if their industries are not running, their buses are not running, their factories are not running, and their person have no need of fuel, then sure they are not going to import the crude oil from these countries, and they have to sell crude oil at lower price. Okay, this is the one concept. Now I am moving to US. US is the country who play major role of all economic events in the world. So same, they also play a major role for crude oil too. There is a one US I am saying showing you here. There is one this is one economic body or one organization of crude oil. You can say EIA, Energy Information Administration. They keep releasing the data of inventories of crude oil of USA. Okay, you can see here. Now happen what? Suppose suppose there is a forecast of 7.759 means uh, com- sites like investing and analytics have forecasted that this week crude oil have US have inventories of crude oil at 7.759 million, but uh, they have no actual such inventories. They have, you can see there is 3.3 about uh, percent of crude oil decline. So if they post lower data, then sure crude oil price will move up. Means WTI crude oil price will move up, and if WTI crude oil price will move up, then sure Brent prices also will move up according to them. Okay, but you can see here they claim they or their analysis show that means their forecast show that crude oil inventory will be 9.27, and this one is previous. You can see here this one is previous 13.3834. But if the inventory will higher than previous one, sure crude oil price will be fall at that day. Let me show on your chart. I have, it may have fall or may not, but let us check. This is data of April 8, 2020. Let's make it daily chart. So April 8, 2020. Okay, we have to move. Yeah, this one. This one is the April 8. You can see here. You can see here. Crude oil inventory come here, and the next day how crude oil have fall too much. You can see here inventories grow. Here you can see inventories grow, and crude oil start falling. You can see this is the live proof of data of the US. I am not bargaining. You can see the chart on investing.com and anywhere. If there is how data play major role for any scripts. Like any companies give their financial data, and if that was positive, the stock will move up. Same in the case of commodities too, like in the case of crude oil too. Okay, so this is one data, and one another data is rig count of crude oil. Okay, this data come from US Baker Hug organization, but this does not play such major role. You can see each this have only importance of 2 star, but this one have an importance of 3 star. It's maybe, yeah, you can see here importance of 3 star rating by crude oil, and only there is a three. This is a maximum rating from investing. They have three categories of rating: 1 star, 2 star, and 3 star. Okay, so this one is also play a major role. Rig means the number of well and where they extract oil. So this one what one data. Now I'm going to say There is some major another data on which also crude oil depend, like the GDP of the country, developing country like India, China. They play major role for crude oil. Suppose if the GDP or industry data will be low of this both country, USA and China, the price will fall. Okay, and some like trade war. Trade war was one of the major example of that. When trade Trump exposed some imposed some uh, sanction on China, the crude oil price start falling because if trade trade will not happen, if in the suppose if countries ban Chinese product in their country, means the industry of China will lower down their production, and so transportation does not need, industry does not need now oil, so the demand of oil will decline and the price of oil will also decline. Same, and there is some other effect also like war between two countries. War always increase the price. Suppose there will be the war between uh, Kuwait and Iraq, and if Kuwait or Iraq, any country will destroy or disturb the oil wells or pipelines of oil, then for some shorter time, crude oil production will be declined, and sure the price will move up. Okay, and actually I am not. I have no any slides for now, but I will post that slides of this video on my uh, blog later. So this was a short description about crude oil, and I am actually starting a vlog of my trading. So I will keep posted video. You can see there is some order placed on my screen that I have already vlog. You can watch my video on YouTube. Actually, last trading days, I want to make a live video, but my internet was not working. So that's all. If you want to track my order trade and want to trade with me and want to learn trading and want to monitor crude oil and all, then you can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.